Pack your bags and your sense of adventure. Africa's jungles are calling. Africa's jungles are stunning and full of life, but they can be tricky to navigate if you're not prepared. Let's dive into some common mistakes you should avoid. First up, wearing the wrong colors. Bright or dark blue and black clothes, big no-no, they attract tsetse flies. Trust me, you don't want to make friends with them. Next, always hire a local guide. It's easy to get lost, and a guide not only keeps you safe, but also enriches your experience with local knowledge. Respect wildlife distances. This isn't a petting zoo. Approaching animals too closely is dangerous for you and stressful for them. Don't forget your health prep. Get vaccinated and take malaria precautions. A jungle trip isn't worth risking your health. Follow local customs and conservation rules. Don't touch the trees, litter, or make loud noises. Respect the environment and the local communities. And the climate, it's hot, humid, and can be rainy. Pack light, breathable clothing, and stay hydrated. Lastly, pack essentials like insect repellent, waterproof gear, good hiking boots, and power banks. You'll thank me later. Africa's jungles are magical and raw, but demand respect and preparation. Got jungle stories or tips? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic travel guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.